Hey guys, so for this video, we're actually going to be doing a more of like a glam kind of look, but we are going to be using the new infamous Bloodlust by Jeffree Star because I'm going to be doing a look every day. So if you do really enjoy, I would say suggest joining because we are going to be doing one probably for a week now. It gives me like a feel of the palette and which colors I like and which colors I don't like. Instead of just doing like a sit down one time thing and then never again. So I actually started because I forgot I was gonna film this part. So let's go into it. I'm gonna go in with Blood Queen on this Sonia Kashuk brush that I got from Target, and then with something like this more glamorous, you really want to like pack it on, and then just blend later. So yeah, just I'm basically just gonna make like 3 stripes and a super long lane, and I'm gonna add a lot of shimmer somewhere. Okay, so this color does lay down really nice. Okay. When I look down, I'm gonna probably bring the shade more like up. Okay. So I'm gonna go in with. So I think I'm gonna keep it like that, but I'm gonna take whatever is left on this brush and kind of buff it right into my crease, or just above my crease. Yeah, so that looks really nice. It pulls really well. Okay. So now I will begin to add shimmers. I am gonna go into Take the Crown, which is, oh, I haven't played with this shade yet. Well, I'll probably go on with both of them, but it's these two. I don't know if they'll come up. This one and this one. So this one right here, and then this one right here. This one looks, it's like, this one looks like a more yellow gold, and then this one just looks like a more blue purple metallic. So I'm gonna see if I can use a brush. So this brush does have black on it, so I gotta be careful. Okay, so let's go in with Beauty Sleep, which is the gold purple one. Ooh. So a lot grabs on this little brush. Oh, this is the Morphe 124, and then I'm just gonna pack it on the inner third. Wow, that goes down really nice. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with Take the Crown, which is the purple up here. Just tap it in. This whole... So, I can't remember if I said this in my other videos, but this palette is extremely buttery. The texture reminds me most of Alien palette. The Alien palette was, like, insanely buttery. Like, when I say buttery, I mean, like, if you put your finger in there and you, like, swirl it and you take it off, you can still see your fingerprint in there. That's how you know it's buttery to me. That's how the Alien palette was to me. The Blue Blood, there was a lot of, like, dry feeling ones, but they performed pretty well on the eyes. And Blood Sugar was pretty, like, dry feeling, but the same as the Blue Blood, it worked really well. It's just the texture of it was different. Oh wow, that's really blue. Okay. So I'm only gonna do like lining the crease, and then like on the actual lid, I'm gonna hit it with one of those new metallic glitter shades that he made. So I'm gonna go back into Beauty Sleep and then really massage this up here. Okay. So that looks really nice. And then I'm gonna go in with Wet Jewel on the same brush, because I don't think I've tried it with a brush. Yeah, so it picks up really well. Looks a little flaky. Hopefully it doesn't fall off when I try to pat it on. Because right now I'm going like on a dry base. So, let's see. Wow, it looks really good. So what I'm actually going to do is use this on the, what is it? Wet Jewel on like the inner part of the bottom. And then, so I'm going to go back into Wet Jewel, just apply more over here. Then what I'm going to do is get the deeper new shade, the Pink Magic, on the same brush. And I'm going to do that closer to the matte purple over here, just to kind of marry them. Yeah, and then keep it on the bottom though. And then slightly pull it up to connect that blue. Because I feel like this one is the one that ties it closer to purple. That's crazy. So now I'm gonna get my Sony Akashic eyeshadow brush again, and I'm going to slightly diffuse the edges. But I'm gonna keep it in this like sort of cat eye. Look how fast that diffused. That was like 3 seconds of me blending. And then I'm gonna take that over here too. Blend. I am gonna have to reinforce the purple though, so I'm gonna get the same brush that I was just using, the Sony Akashic, get Blood Queen, the purple matte, and then really put that there. Cool. Then I will need a shimmer, of course. Let's go in with, I'm gonna go in with Wet Jewel. Yeah. And I got Wet Jewel on a Morphe E18 brush, and I'm just gonna push that right here. and then really connect it. That looks so cool. Okay, so we got that. Then we will do... Oh, you know what look I really wanted to do? Oh my gosh, it's gonna look so cool. I'm gonna do something crazy. I'm actually gonna go in with this red lipstick by Jeffree Star, using the same eyeliner brush. And then, so it might come out like a little black red, but I think red with the purple look, it's gonna look so bloodlusty. So, let's get that, put it on the back of my hand. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. If I can make the wing come out like really good, game over. So I'm just gonna coat the brush. Oh, it's getting real dark. Okay. Now, let's create this wing. So I don't know if this lipstick is old or anything, but like, or I don't know if it's just a formula, but this one's more watery than the black one, so it's not like as opaque. So this is the one that you would have to wait to dry, like to more of like a gel texture to use it, or else it wouldn't really be the same. Okay. Oh my gosh, and you know what? I can actually like stamp on that like bleeding heart shade on it. Well, it's actually really cool. Looks pretty cool, pretty cool. I'm gonna want to create like the line. Like that. That I love. I wanna... I'm just gonna take that a little bit down. Dude, that's so cool. Okay, and I'm gonna see if I can emphasize the red. That's super cool. Okay, so let's try to emphasize that red. I don't even know if I have a brush small enough to stamp it. Okay, I do. Okay, so let's take Bleeding Heart, the red satin shade. So I will take the Bleeding Heart from using the Morphe 410. It's like a flat brush. And then basically I'll just stamp it. I don't know if it's showing up, but in person it's lightening it up. So that definitely helped lighten it. That looks so cool, actually. Dang, I didn't even put a lower lash line color. Let's hit it with... I don't even know where my brush went. Jesus. I'm gonna take the... I'll probably take Royal. I'm gonna take Deviant, which is the light purple over here, the lavender. And then really, well, I guess it's gonna be more dramatic, so I'll put this here to like brighten up the eye, and then I'm gonna go in with High King on the outer part over here. Yeah. Snazzy. Wow. So snazzy. Yes, guys, that is gonna be this look completed. Very glamorous, very intense. I wish I knew how to make a sharper wing, but we do what we do, you know? Alrighty, guys. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys have an awesome day. I will see you in the next video. Love you guys.